Oh hi guys, today I'll make a video about I'll fly my drone and then so this is how you do. This is the controller and from this video it's called a quadcopter. And then now it's a quadcopter because it has 4 fans. It is a drone but we don't call it a quad drone. So now from this you go up and this you go down. When you go full down, it goes full down. So now let's fly it up. Oopsie, that's why I think. Oopsie. Whoa! So I guess maybe crash. So I guess this is all. Just fly it one time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want a drone, you can buy a drone too. And so bye.